Hello class 110 and 109. Today is Thursday, March 26, 2020, and today we're going to be doing picture writing, page 50. So open your picture writing books to page 50 and we'll get started. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of questions, but it's okay because we're going to make it a little bit shorter. So we've got the seasons, so let's do question 1. What seasons are there? So what are the 4 seasons? So let's write for question 1. The 4 seasons are winter, spring, summer, and fall. The 4 seasons are winter, spring, summer, and fall. Okay? Let's do number 2. So if you go to number 2, we're going to group all the questions about spring in one sentence. So how is the weather in the spring? What do you do in the spring? What do you wear in the spring? What do you see, what do you wear, and what do you do in the spring? So, if you look at the first one, what's the weather? How's the weather in the spring? So the weather in the spring is warm, right? It's not hot, but it's warm. It's a little bit hotter. So we'll say the weather in the spring is warm. We wear a shirt, right? Or you can wear a sweater. What do you do in the spring? Well, in the spring, what do? We can fly a kite, like in the picture. They're flying a kite. What do you do? And what do you see? What do you see? You see flowers, right? All the flowers are coming up. So for number 2, let's write the weather in the spring is warm. The weather in the spring is warm. What do you see? I see flowers bloom. So when a flower blooms, that means it's growing out of the ground and it's looking really nice. I see flowers bloom. I wear pants and a sweater, and I fly kites. So, the weather in the spring is warm. I see flowers bloom. I wear pants and a sweater, and I fly kites. Okay, can you guys see that? Let's see if we can move you up a bit. Oh, that's much better. Cool. So, pause the video while you do number 2. And we're going to answer number 3, okay? So number 3, well, I mean, there's not really number 3, but now we're going to do it for summer. So how's the weather in summer? What do you see in summer? What do you wear in summer? And what do you do in summer? So, how's the weather in the summer? The weather is hot. What do you see in summer? In the summer, what do we see? Anything in this picture? Let's look at summer. What do we see? Well, we see that, people are outside playing. The sun is so we'll say the sun is very strong. So what do you see? I see the sun shining, right? And then what do you wear? You wear shorts and a t-shirt. And what do you do? Let's say we go to the beach. Okay, so that'll be number 3. So, the weather in the summer is hot. I see the sun shining. I see the sun shining. I wear shorts and a t-shirt. I go to the beach. Okay? The weather in the summer is hot. I see the sun shining. I wear shorts and a t-shirt. I go to the beach. Okay? So pause the video to make sure you got that written, and then we're going to move on to the next one, okay? The next one, we're talking about fall. So how's the weather in the fall? What do you see in the fall? What do you wear in the fall? And what do you do in the fall? So, the weather in the fall is cool, right? It's a little bit colder, but not like winter cold. So it's cool. What do you see? You can see the leaves changing colors, right? The leaves change colors. What do you wear? You probably wear a sweater and pants. And what do you do in the fall? You can go trick-or-treating, or you can play in the leaves, right? Just like in the picture here, they're playing in the leaves. So they play in the leaves. So for number 4, let's say the weather in the fall is cool. I see leaves change colors. I see leaves change colors. I wear pants and a sweater. I play in the leaves. The weather in the fall is cool. I see leaves change colors. I wear pants and a sweater. I play in the leaves. Okay, so make sure you have that, and then we'll move on to winter. Okay, so for winter, same thing. How's the weather in the winter? What do you see in the winter? What do you wear in the winter? And what do you do in the winter? So, pause the video because I'm going to erase this if you don't have it, so pause. Okay? Alright, so, excuse me. So that was number 6. In the winter, hold on. In the winter, the weather is cold and snowy. I see. So the weather's cold and snowy. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. So the weather's cold and snowy. What do we see? We see a snowman, right? We see snowmen. We see snow. And then what do we wear? We wear a jacket and a hat, right? A jacket and a hat because it's cold. What do we do? Well, we can go play in the snow, right? We can go on a sled, or we can build a snowman. So let's write that. So, in the winter, the weather is cold and snowy. I see snowmen, and we'll say Christmas trees. And Christmas trees. I wear, let's just change pens very quickly. I wear a jacket and a hat. I go sledding and make snowmen. In the winter, the weather is cold and snowy. I see snowmen and Christmas trees. I wear a jacket and a hat. I go sledding and make snowmen. So that's what you do for for winter, sorry. And then the last one, number 7. Tell me what is your favorite season and why? Okay? So for the last one, tell me what your favorite season is and why, okay? And that is our lesson for today, guys. If you have any questions, call or email school and we'll help you. And I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Have a good day, guys.